Dear student, today we are in our new point preparation of alcohols. Yes, chemical reactions start from here of this chapter. Alcohols are prepared by the following methods. Yes, we can make alcohols by following methods. One of them is from alkene. First of all, what is alkene? Whenever minimum one double bond having compound which is called alkene, and first of it by acid catalyzed hydration, meaning of it in the presence of acid reaction with the water of the alkene gives alcohol. એટલે કે એસિડની પ્રેઝન્સમાં વોટર સાથે રિએક્શન by acid catalyzed, acid છે as a catalyzed છે. Hydration means reaction with water છે. Alkenes react with water in the presence of acid as a catalyst to form alcohols. એટલે alkene એસિડની હાજરીમાં વોટર સાથે રિએક્શન થાય તો આલ્કોહોલ આપશે. But alkenes are two type, symmetric and unsymmetric. When we take ethene, so ethene is symmetric. How we can say? Both side portion of the double bond are same. CH2 CH2, so which is symmetric. Another example, ethene, butane is also symmetric. Double bond પછી આ part CH3CH, this part also CH3. Double bond ની બે સાઈડ સિમિલર પાર્ટ હોય તો સિમેટ્રિક આલ્કેન કહેવાય. But unsymmetric means double bond propene is the unsymmetric alkene. Why? From the left hand side of double bond there is CH2, on right hand side CH3, so which is unsymmetric alkene. The addition reaction, addition એટલે આનો pi bond break થાય અને waterનો molecule add થઈ જાય in accordance with Markovnikov rule in case of unsymmetric case. First of all, when we take alkene which is symmetric and reaction with water, this reaction is reversible, means occurs in both direction. Here two part of water, H plus and OH minus. Here pi bond breaks. Suppose two electron is moved on this carbon, so this carbon became negatively charged, this carbon positively charged. એટલે pi bond ના બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે એ આ સાઈડ ખેંચાઈ જાય તો આ કાર્બન નેગેટિવ થઈ જશે, આ કાર્બન પોઝિટિવ. સો અહીંયા વેકેન્ટ ઓર્બિટલ છે, અહીંયા ફિલ્ડ છે, તો H પ્લસ અહીંયા કમ્બાઈન, સોરી H પ્લસ અહીંયા કમ્બાઈન થશે આની એમ્પ્ટી ઓર્બિટલ સાથે, આ OH અહીંયા આવશે and it gives alcohol. Suppose symmetric હોય, suppose two electron અહીંયા આવી જાય, so this one is negative charge, this one positive, OH combines here, H plus here, so now OH and H gives alcohol. Yes, I am giving you example. Ethene is reacting with water, so ethene is symmetric. પહેલા આ catalyst, આના બે ભાગ પાડો, H plus and OH minus. Understood? સિમેટ્રિક હોય ને તો ગમે તે કાર્બન ઉપર OH અને ગમે તે ઉપર H જોડાય. સપોઝ અહીંયા OH આવે તો અહીંયા H આવશે એટલે CH2H and CH2H pi bond break થાય અને H2O નું એડિશન અહીંયા OH અને H, so it gives CH3CH2OH. સપોઝ OH અહીંયા આવે તો H અહીંયા આવશે, તો product remains same, which is also ethanol. CH2 and H means CH3. Understood? But in case of unsymmetric alkene, here given propene, CH3 CH double bond CH2 H2O and presence of H plus catalyst. Here, due to Markovnikov rule, accordance with it gives product. So what is Markovnikov rule in unit 13 class 11? Markovnikov rule. In the double bond having the compound, when it reacts with reagent, so more negative part combines with less hydrogen having carbon. Here is double bond, here is only one hydrogen, here is two, so more negative part એટલે કયો છે OH minus combines with less hydrogen having carbon. અહીંયા જાવ unsymmetric છે એટલે product will be accordance to Markovnikov rule. So more આ જે reactant છે એનો more negative part which is OH minus combines with less hydrogen having carbon, so two electrons are moving on this carbon minus and this became plus. Here vacant orbital of carbon, there OH minus attracting there and combines filled orbital with empty. Here empty orbital of H plus with filled, so it gives product CH3 CHOH and CH3. Propane to all is our product. Understood? So propane is unsymmetric. Reaction occurs in the presence of H plus ion with water. So more negative part OH minus combines with double bond માં જે કાર્બન ઉપર less hydrogen હોય ત્યાં OH minus combine થાય. That is the rule of Markovnikov. Now mechanism of this reaction. Actually this reaction occurs in 3 steps. Mechanism of this reaction. The protonation. The mechanism of this reaction involves following 3 steps. Step 1. Protonation of alkene to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of H3O+. What is electrophilic? Here carbon possesses double bond, one of sigma, one of pi. So this pi electron cloud, in a cloud kehવાય. First of all, our catalyst is H plus. Water માં two lone pair હોય છે. When it combines with H plus by coordinate covalent bond, એટલે આ મેળવીને ન્યુટ્રલ થશે, એટલે હવે એક લોન પેર રહેશે અને આ ડોનેટ કરીને પ્લસ, so H3O plus occurs. એટલે water અને H plus acid છે. First of all it forms H3O plus Now electrophilic attack એટલે આના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન વડે આનો H3O પ્લસ પાર્ટ હવે ઓક્સિજનમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી હાઇડ્રોજન કરતા તો મોર જ હોય એટલે આ તીર બતાવ્યું છે એરો. So hydrogen is partially positive. So this partially positive part attracts toward the electron of a pi bond. So which is called electrophilic attack of H3O plus. Once pi bond breaks, like pi bond break થાય. Suppose both electrons moved here. એટલે આ પાઈ બોન્ડના બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન અહીં આવી ગયા એટલે અહીંથી ને H પ્લસ અહીં આવશે. H પ્લસ કમ્બાઇન્સ આ બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આ કાર્બન ઉપર મૂવ થાય છે એટલે અહીં બોન્ડ બની જશે H and this કાર્બન એટલે આ બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હતા એમાં એક આ કાર્બનનો અને એક આનો હતો બે અહીંયા વયા ગયા. પાઈ બોન્ડમાં બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હોય એટલે આ કાર્બને એક ગુમાવ્યું અને કાર્બોકેટાયન occurs. કાર્બોકેટાયન પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ કાર્બન અને આ જે બે વચ્ચે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હતા એને લઈ લીધા એટલે પાછા ઓક્સિજન ઉપર બે લોન પેર આવી ગઈ એટલે H2 રિમૂવ થાય. આ બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન અહીંયા ડબલ બોન્ડના અહીંયા ખસી ગયા હાઇડ્રોજન સાથે કમ્બાઇન થાય. This carbon became carbocation. Attack is called electrophilic અને ઇલેક્ટ્રોન વડે અટેક થાય electrophilic. Now second one, nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. Positive charge આ પાઈ બંને ઇલેક્ટ્રોન વડે અટેક થાય તો H3O પ્લસ ના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ વડે અટેક થાય છે એટલે ન્યુક્લિયોફિલિક. ઇલેક્ટ્રોફિલિક અને ઇલેક્ટ્રોન વડે આનો પોઝિટિવ પાર્ટ એટ્રેક્ટેડ છે એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોફિલિક. ઇલેક્ટ્રોન વડે એટ્રેક્ટેડ. ન્યુક્લિયોફિલિક એટલે પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ કાર્બન વડે એટ્રેક્શન થાય. So which is called electrophilic. Electron of this is attracted toward positive charge carbon. Lone pair of oxygen donate to empty orbital and it gives OHH. હવે આ ડોનેટ કરે વન પેર એટલે આની એમ્પ્ટી ઓર્બિટલ સાથે કમ્બાઈન થાય. સપોઝ આની એમ્પ્ટી ઓર્બિટલ છે ઓકે અહીંયા કમ્બાઈન થાય છે એટલે ડોનેટ કરીને પ્લસ એટલે ઓનલી વન લોન પેર રિમેનિંગ રહેશે આઉટ ઓફ ટુ. વન લોન પેર છે એ ડોનેટ કરી દીધી એટલે વન લોન પેર રહેશે અને આ ફોર્મલ ચાર્જ પ્લસ. પ્રોટોનેટેડ CCOH આલ્કોહોલ એક હાઇડ્રોજન એક્સેસ છે એ પ્રોટોનેટેડ આલ્કોહોલ કહેવાય. ન્યુક્લિયોફિલિક એટેક એટલે શું? પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ કાર્બન પર વોટરનો મોલેક્યુલ એટ્રેક્ટ થાય અને ત્યાં કમ્બાઈન થાય ઇલેક્ટ્રો ન્યુક્લિયોફિલિક. પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ કાર્બનને ન્યુક્લિયસ કહેવાય ન્યુક્લિયોફિલિક એટેક કહેવાય એટલે પ્રોટોનેટેડ આલ્કોહોલ બનશે. એન્ડ થર્ડ સ્ટેપ deprotonation. In chemistry D means removal. Deprotonation એટલે excess proton will be removed from there. Here OHH and plus. So once again water coming to contact with the protonated alcohol. So lone pair of electron attracts toward hydrogen. Why? Electronegative oxygen ની આય અને હાઇડ્રોજન ની લેસ H પ્લસ અને અહીંયા લોન પેર એટ્રેક્ટ થાય એટલે આ બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન અહીંયા ચાલ્યા છે એટલે જે એક્સેસ પ્રોટોન છે it will be removed. Excess proton will be removed and OH એટલે આ બે વચ્ચે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન તો પાછા આવી જાય બે લોન પેર થઈ ગઈ અને આ જે H પ્લસ અહીંયા વયો જાય એટલે અહીંયા જે બે લોન પેર હતી એક અહીંયા જોડાઈ જાય એટલે વન લોન પેર હશે એટલે 3O પ્લસ રિમૂવ થઈ જાય એટલે H પ્લસ મીન્સ પ્રોટોન. Proton removes. So deprotonation and gives the alcohol COH, which is given in our book. This is our mechanism. Now, second, by hydroboration oxidation. Yes, hydroboration oxidation. Another method is the hydroboration oxidation. First one is the acid catalyzed hydrolysis. Now we are in our second point, by hydroboration oxidation. Yes. First, BH3. Boron has a 3 electron in outermost orbit and one orbit is empty. So when two BH3 combines with each other, here is empty, here hydrogen. So empty orbital with hydrogen combines. Here empty orbital with hydrogen combines here. That is called diborane. BH3 two times, diborane. React with alkene to give trialkyl boranes. As addition product, addition થઈ જશે, pi bond break થાય અને એક મોલેક્યુલમાં બીજો મોલેક્યુલ એડ થઈ જાય એને addition કહેવાય. This is oxidized to alcohol. પછીનો ઓક્સિડેશન થાય by hydrogen peroxide in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide. So it gives alcohol. So first of all, when we take propene, you can say CH3CH double bond CH2 is the propene. In hydroboration, H plus and BH2 minus, two part occurs. Actually, electronegativity of boron is high. So, H plus and BH2 minus occurs. આના બે પાર્ટ પાડવાના. H plus and BH2 minus. Our alkene is symmetric or non-symmetric? Non-symmetric. So more negative part. Which one? BH2 minus. Combines with less hydrogen having carbon. So here, after breaking the pi bond, BH2 comes here due to Markovnikov rule. But remember, here this reaction follows anti-Markovnikov rule. Why? Because of hydrogen peroxide. So here more negative part combines with more hydrogen having carbon, and hydrogen comes here. અહીંયા hydrogen આવશે, અહીંયા BH2 આવશે. So it gives CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. Propyl borane. Propyl borane. Yes. Now occurred propyl borane has a plus and minus, two part, is reacting with another propene. પેલા એક પ્રોપીન હતું એમાં ડાયબોરેન એડ થઈ જાય, અટવાઇસ નહીં, ખાલી BH H plus B, BH2 અહીંયા H અહીંયા due to hydrogen peroxide, anti-Markovnikov's rule, H and BH2. Then once again ethene, propane is adding that, BH minus H plus, so more negative part comes to more hydrogen having carbon, H plus here. So CH3, CH2, CH2, BH, then CH2, CH2, CH3, અહીંયા H આવી જાય, અહીંયા CH2 આ pi bond break થાય, અહીંયા આ જોડાઈ જાય, એટલે dipropyl borane. In salt, CH3, CH2, CH2 twice NBH. So dipropyl borane occurs. In this dipropyl borane, once again there is one hydrogen, so H plus and B minus is reacting with another propene. So more negative part combines here, and hydrogen here. So CH3, CH2, CH2B, CH2, CH2 આ બે પાર્ટ તો એમ રહેશે ને, આ H અહીંયા જશે અને B સાથે કનેક્ટ થઈ જશે. So you can see our product is now tripropyl borane. CH3, CH2, CH2 3 times, then boron. Tripropyl borane occurs. And now this tripropyl borane oxidize in oxidation by hydrogen peroxide 3 mole and water in the presence of NaOH or OH minus. So actually what happens, OH minus from hydrogen peroxide attacks here. OH is negative, this carbon is partially positive, 3 OH group combines there. So it gives CH3, CH2, CH2OH, propane 1 mole, 1 mole, 2 mole and 3 mole. And boron also combines with 3 OH. So here byproduct is boric acid, H3BO3 occurs. The addition of borane to the double bond takes place in a manner that the boron atoms get attached to sp2 carbon, carrying greater number of hydrogen. Here we discussed in the propene diborane part negative combines with not less hydrogen having carbon but more hydrogen having carbon. The alcohol so form look as it has been addition of water to alkene way opposite to Markovnikov rule. Like Markovnikov nothing. Less more negative part, less hydrogen having carbon ઉપર નહીં પણ more hydrogen having carbon પર attack કરે છે અને એટલે જે નિપજ મળશે octane is excellent yield. The maximum amount of alcohol derives by this method. Now from carbonyl compounds, preparation of alcohols from the carbonyl compounds. Yes, alkene wali method puri. From alkene there are 2 methods. First one from alkene, there are 2 by acid catalyzed hydration, and second one hydroboration oxidation. This is hydroboration. Now last step is the oxidation. So that is hydroboration, like hydrogen and borane it થાય hydroboration and addition, then after oxidation. From carbonyl compounds, first of all, what is carbonyl? Carbon combines with oxygen by double bond, carbonyl group. Carbon with oxygen by double bond is called carbonyl group, and carbonyl group having compound is called carbonyl compounds. So, by reduction of aldehyde and ketones in the aldehyde, structure is like this, carbonyl present. In the ketones, you can see, in short, we are taking RCOR, but there is carbonyl group. By reduction, yes, aldehyde and ketones are reduced to the corresponding alcohols by addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyzed. આમાં pi bond break થાય અને hydrogen add થાય અને reduction કહેવાય. But addition of hydrogen occurs in presence of catalyzed. So catalytic hydrogenation also called. એટલે આ aldehyde અને ketone carbonyl group છે એનું reduction હાઇડ્રોજન વડે પણ catalyst ની હાજરીમાં થાય એટલે catalytic hydrogenation કહેવાય. The usual catalyst is a finely divided metal such as platinum, palladium or nickel. Finely divided એટલે બારીક powder of palladium, platinum કે nickel નો powder લેવામાં આવે છે અને પછી તેની હાઇડ્રોજન સાથે રિએક્શન થાય. It is also prepared by treating aldehyde and ketone with sodium borohydride. આ બધા reducing agents. Another is sodium borohydride. Lithium aluminium hydride also. આ બધા reducing agent છે. Aldehyde yield a primary alcohol where ketone gives a secondary. યાદ રાખજો. aldehyde માં CHO group in last હોય છે એટલે always primary alcohol આપશે. ketone છે એમાં carbonyl group વચ્ચે હોય છે, it gives a secondary alcohol. So list of reducing agent, tell me once again. Nickel with hydrogen, palladium with hydrogen and platinum with hydrogen, sodium borohydride and lithium aluminium hydride. આ બધા reducing agent છે which reduces aldehyde and ketones and both gives alcohol, but aldehyde gives primary alcohol where ketone gives a secondary alcohol. So we are taking example in the aldehyde. RCOOH is reacting with hydrogen in the presence of palladium, nickel, otherwise platinum. Out of 3 there should be 1. Here pi bond breaks. After breaking the pi bond, carbon ni 1 valency remaining છે, oxygen ni 1 અને 2 bond occur થાય તો 1 bond vacant and 1 bond vacant, and both side hydrogen combines there. So it gives RCH2OH. Now you can see our OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized and which is connected with another one. So it gives primary alcohol. I am giving you example. Ethanol reacting with hydrogen and palladium. So in the ethanol, structure is like this. Pi bond breaks. 1 hydrogen here, 1 here. It gives us CH3 CH2OH, which is called ethanol. Ethanol. Understood? Suppose this type of example. Cyclobutane carbaldehyde, platinum and hydrogen. Here also pi bond breaks. cyclobutane methyl alcohol gives structure is like this. 5 bond break time. 1 hydrogen here, 1 here. Which is also gives alcohol. But when we take a ketone, in the ketone, structure is like this. In return, it is look like this. Now, reducing agent when we take sodium borohydride. So, RCO iodase. After breaking the pi bond, H combines here, H here. So, you can see RCH iodase and OH. OH containing carbon is sp3 iodase, and OH containing carbon is connected with another 2 carbon. So it gives a secondary alcohol. It gives a secondary alcohol. Example for that, we are taking acetone. And reducing agent sodium borohydride. Hydrogen comes from here. Here pi bond breaks. After pi bond break, the one valency of carbon, કારણ કે કાર્બન 4 બોન્ડ હોય ને, આ pi bond break થયેલા આનો એક બોન્ડ બાકી, આના 2 બોન્ડ હોય એમાંથી 1 બાકી, એટલે H and H. So it gives propane to all. Suppose cyclobutanone. Butanone is given. And reduction with sodium borohydride. Here, after breaking the pi bond, 1 hydrogen here, 1 here, actually CH2. CH2, CH2 and CO. આનો bond break થાય, the 1 valency of carbon, 1 of oxygen, the 1 hydrogen combines here, 1 here, gives cyclobutanol. Cyclobutanol gives cyclobutanol. I hope everything is all right. Understood, dear student? Do practice of this reaction. Now bye. We will meet in our next lecture.